Hi guys, so we just lit this massive bonfire. Yeah, it doesn't look that big on camera, but like it's hold on guys, yeah, we might be in danger. Yeah, so yeah, this thing's gonna burn pretty big. It's hurting our legs. Okay, get out of here, get out. Go, go, go. Oh God, it's getting too big. Sorry. Oh guys, this thing is massive. I'm gonna just grab this chair. Just gonna scoot this way back. Anyways, guys, as you can tell, this fire is massive. This is probably the biggest fire we've ever done. It's the first time I've ever done this on the channel. But, yeah, this thing's massive. Hold on. Okay, as I was saying, this thing is massive. Absolutely massive. Sorry if my eyes are down here. Camera's up there. My screen's down here, though. Alright, well, I'm going to cut it for now, and then we'll come back when it's even bigger. Bye. Alright, guys, and we are back, and it has died down significantly from where it was before. Still, apparently we had some smoke bombs left in there, so, like, right here in this area, it smells like eggy farts. At least that's what I call sulfur smell. It smells like eggy farts. Anyways, this is our dog, Sum. You guys have already seen her, but I figured I'd just mention her. And this fire, well, it was big. Anyways, that's going to be it because I am bored as flip. Goodbye.